Hello, my name is Cheyenne, and I am very excited to start this course. Diagnosing mental health and getting to learn more about it has been something I've always been interested in, and probably one of the high points that I've been looking forward to for this program. I'm actually a current mental health counselor at a mental health agency in California. I am a part of the education department. I currently work at a behavioral school where all of our kids have some sort of mental health diagnosis, so I'm quite familiar with some. We do typically see some more common ones such as autism, um, uh, uh, like suicide ideations, depression, ADHD, and some things along that nature. Um, I've also seen kind of a variety of different ages, as I've not only worked at the high school, but I am currently support staff at the elementary school, and previously was a support staff at the preschool. So I've seen a variety of mental health conditions in different variety of kids. Um, I'm currently I currently participate on a treatment team for mental health diagnoses because I'm a part of a team that works with other mental health counselors, therapists, clinicians, school staff, district workers. Everyone on that team kind of works together, but I'm not directly working to diagnose each individual kid. Some specialists may ask for my opinion, but that's kind of the extent of my involvement for that. And I do not directly work with a practitioner for DSM-5 diagnoses, but I hope in my next position I will, because it is something I'm pretty interested in. Again, I'm really looking forward to this course, and I'm excited to get to meet everyone, so I hope to meet you soon. Thanks.